Rap is a very beautiful genre, but it's also a very ego-driven pursuit.
Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong.
It's a very beautiful.
My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is. There's a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything's wrong.
Yes.
This video was sponsored by Filmora 10. Filmora 10 is a complete video editing software for all your needs. You can edit your YouTube videos, commercials, music videos, whatever. You can edit pretty much anything with this. And also Filmora 10 is the latest version of Filmora, and it comes with a lot of cool features like motion tracking, color matching, video keyframe, text animations, transitions, and so much more. Sometimes I personally use Filmora to edit my YouTube videos. It is very simple, easy, and powerful. When you are exporting your project, you can export in different formats like MKV, AVI, MP4, and much other formats. Do check the links in the description box below for more information about Filmora. Huge thanks to Filmora for sponsoring this video.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. picture I face.